Congratulations on being serious about supervising your teen's practice driving. You are preparing your teen for an exciting and dangerous milestone, driving. High-quality practice driving is critical because a major reason why teens crash is their inexperience behind the wheel. To address this problem, researchers from the Center for Injury Research and Prevention at Children's Hospital of Philadelphia created the TeenDrivingPlan Practice Guide. Research shows teens that practice in lots of different driving environments and conditions were 65% less likely to make dangerous driving errors on a challenging on-road test. Available on TeenDrivingPlan.org, the Teen Driving Plan Practice Guide helps families make the most out of their practice drives. This free resource can be viewed on a laptop, tablet, home computer, or smartphone. This evidence-based tool helps parents provide their teens with plenty of quality driving practice in different environments and conditions to develop crucial skills and experience. Let's get started. Organized by driving environment, parking lot, residential, intermediate, commercial, highways, and country roads, the Teen Driving Plan Practice Guide includes specific driving goals for each environment, as well as 53 short practice videos that play on the Teen Driving Plan YouTube channel. It's really important that teens get a lot of practice in each of these environments. Research shows new teen drivers need to practice in a variety of different environments. Newly licensed teens have skill deficits in these three areas, accounting for nearly half of crashes involving teen drivers. 1. Teens need to develop the ability to scan, identify, and react to hazards. 2. Teens need to learn how to manage speed on a variety of roads and in different conditions. 3. Teens need to learn how to manage distractions both inside and outside the vehicle. To keep parent-supervised driving lesson plans on track, be sure to download the Goal Guide and logging and rating tool to an electronic device. You can also print them out to keep them in your car. The Goal Guide is an organizational tool that helps remind parents and teens of the goals for each practice drive. All goals are listed by driving environment, like parking lot and highways. A goal should only be checked off if it is consistently performed without any errors and without any cues or verbal instructions. A portion of the practice drive should be focused on learning a specific goal or goals. We recommend no more than 3 goals per driving session. The logging and rating tool helps families track their practice by driving environments and record where their teens need more work. Once a drive is logged, it's important to rate the practice drive to keep track of progress. Drives are rated from 1 to 4, 4 being the best with the goal achieved with no errors or help, and then a 3, 2, 1. We recommend that parents include teens in the logging and rating process so that they can take some ownership of the process. This will provide an opportunity for parents to give some objective feedback. Before taking any practice drives with your teen, watch this video, Create the Right Learning Environment, for tips on how to remain calm when supervising your teen's practice driving. To get started, pick an environment, say for example, residential roads. There are a total of 8 goals for the residential roads environment, each with its own video on our YouTube channel. Each video includes a description of the goal, common errors teens make when learning that goal, signs they're getting it right, and a sample practice activity. We recommend watching a video before trying to practice a goal.
Intersections are one of the most dangerous places for young drivers, and getting through them safely is an important aspect of driving. This lesson is about managing intersections with traffic signals or stop signs. Although these signs are there to control traffic, a driver must still be keenly aware of what's going on. You may encounter a driver who doesn't stop for a stop sign, is running a red light, or racing the green. Even when the intersection is controlled by signs or signals, you still need to be on the lookout for hazards.
When your teen has successfully completed the practice activities and goals for the residential roads driving environment, it's time to practice in the next driving environment, intermediate roads. When your teen has completed the goals in the 6 environments, provide practice in more challenging driving conditions, such as driving in inclement weather and driving at night. When your teen gets licensed and is driving alone, continue to ride along as a passenger in challenging situations, such as driving in heavy traffic on highways or country roads. And keep the lines of communication open. Watch this video for advice on talking to your teen about safe driving and house rules for safety. The Teen Driving Plan Practice Guide is also available as an interactive PDF. We hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to use the Teen Driving Plan Practice Guide to navigate your teen's practice driving. With plenty of parent-supervised practice driving hours logged, your teen will gain the necessary skills and experience to become a safe driver. Get the Teen Driving Plan Practice Guide and more at teendrivingplan.org.